Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I am obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And of course, some other things along the way. So today I have like a new product that I want to share with you guys because I kind of just impulse bought it. I saw it online. I Google all the new products that come out, especially I love the beginning of New Year's because after Christmas, all the companies start releasing all their new products for the next upcoming year, so 2019. And I just wait for them, and it's like a circular, like I just like stalk the internet and I just wait to see who's releasing what. So no products have really been making me like want to just go out and buy them, except one. And this product is by Murad, and it is the Night Fix Enzyme Treatment, and here it is. So I saw this online and I read how to apply it, and I just thought it was like truly like really cool and different. So what I want to show you is that this is not a first impression because I did use this last night, but I just want to show you like the packaging and everything like that. So before I get into like the details and how to use, this is what the type of box that it comes in. It does say step 4 on the top. So if you have the whole Murad line, this I'm assuming would be step 4 in your routine. However, this is the only Murad product that I use in my routine so far. So it has like this beautiful like hydration, like water falling from the side, and it's like the most relaxing looking thing ever. And it comes in a bottle like this. Now this is not like a heavy bottle, and it is not like glass, it's plastic. So this product does retail for $70. So I was a little disappointed with the packaging. I just thought it could be a little more luxurious feeling. Also, what I wanted to point out to you, how you get this product out is you press down on the top and it comes out this like little spigot here. And then this is where we'll press down to get the product out. Another thing I wanted to point out to you about the package is there's no way to close this. So there's no you can't turn it to lock it in so no product comes out. That's another con that I had about the packaging. It's not the worst thing in the world, but I think $70 for a product, I just think we should have better packaging. Okay, so let's just get right into it. I'm gonna read you the details, its claims, how to apply it, because the one thing I like about this product and why I gravitated towards it is because this is a product that you apply after your whole other skincare routine. So you don't have to really replace this product with anything. This kind of just goes over all your skincare and just kind of holds it in place and locks it in for intense moisture throughout the night. The details, what it is. A treatment that repairs skin overnight to give you the radiant, healthier looking skin associated with a good night's sleep. Yes, girl, yes, because I can't sleep for nothing. Skin type, normal, dry, combination, and oily. Skincare concerns. Fine lines and wrinkles, dryness and dullness and uneven texture, which is like, hello, we all want all those things to be at 100%, especially me. I've been very sick and I just have like bursted blood vessels. I have some like rosacea here. Like I've just been having a heck of a time with my health and it's showing in my skin. So I do apologize if, my skin doesn't look fantastic right now, but girl, trust me, I'm working on it. La Mer is in overload. So, okay, lightweight serum. The most interesting thing about this product is how to use it. So I'm gonna read you the suggested use. After applying moisturizer at night, massage evenly over face and neck as the last step of your beauty regime. Place Night Fix Enzyme Treatment on your nightstand or near your bed so you can smooth over skin just before lying down. Ugh. I love that. Smooth, girl, come back, girl. Smooth your Night Fix Enzyme Treatment over your face, then cup your hands loosely over your nose. So right there, I was like, what? I'm waiting for a normal application. We're either smoothing over our face or we're pressing it into our skin. Putting this on the nightstand and like cupping our noses, I was like, whoa, what's going on here? This is very theatrical. Take a deep breath through the nose and down into your belly. Counting to 3 during the process. Hold your breath for 1 second, then release through the mouth, counting again to 3. Repeat 3 times. Girl, that's a lot for a makeup application. So one thing that I loved about this, so I'm reading this and I'm like, you know what, for me, like the more the steps, the longer the process, the more skincare, the better. So I just personally love a good long skincare routine. It helps me relax. It helps me unwind. It's just skincare routines is like, for me, it's like my glass of wine at night. It just totally relaxes me, zens me out. So the more steps, the better. I just love it. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my God. And what I also loved what Murad is doing, or what it seems that they're doing, is they're kind of getting the skincare products out of the bathroom. So like a majority of us, including, you know, myself, all of my skincare products, other than my body lotions, are in my bathroom. So this is just a fun product that could actually just be a staple on your nightstand, and you could just feel like so glamorous, like, oh, hold on, that's my night treatment, and you just put it right on your nightstand and you feel just so like, oh, girl. And I just thought that was really cool. We're getting skincare products now out of the bathroom onto our nightstands and more into our everyday life. So I think that's great. So what I wanted to show you today, I'm going to apply this for you. I did use this once already, and it does seem that my skin is more hydrated. Again, I'm not at 100% with my skincare with my skin right now, just because of how bad of a time I've been having with being sick. It's just been a super long process. So the hydration I am welcoming right now. So this is a pump product. I'm gonna pump it on my hands. I use about 2 pumps. So we're gonna just show you. So 1, 2, and then some kind of sticks at the top there. So here is the product on my hand. It is like a, kind of got on my rings, but it is like a milky white texture. So what I do is I disperse this all through my skin. And when you apply it, it has like this very soothing scent, and it seems to just glide miraculously all over your face and just creates this very soft veil of skincare, locking in all of your other products. And it's just a great ending to a long day. So we're just gonna bring this up, massage our faces, just work the forehead, work the cheeks, and just really, this is just like a product that we can really enjoy during the application process. So now I just do a final pat. And it does have like a relaxing odor to it. So that is something to just keep in mind. And I think it is built this way because it is a night treatment. And they seem, from the directions, they want you to relax when applying this product right before bed. So the instructions said to loosely cup your nose and take deep breaths in and then release. So that is what I'm going to do with you. So since the odor of this product does seem to be quite calming, we're going to lightly cup our noses and we're going to take a deep breath in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Release. We're going to do this 2 more times. Girl, I'm ready to just go to sleep. Something about the smell of this product and the way you breathe it in, like honestly, right now I'm totally zened out. I mean, it's kind of cool. I'm sure it's more the breathing, but I do know that this is scented to help you sleep better, which is another reason why I gravitated to this product more, because it's just like fun. So when I look at my skin up close, I'm looking in the monitor, my face feels definitely smoother and more hydrated for sure. And I have like more of a glow. I don't know if the camera can make it out, but it sinks. So what I want to say is this sinks directly into your skin. It's not tacky after application. I mean, you're not, and why I'm saying this is because some products are so thick and they're just sitting on top of your skin that it feels like it's gonna get all over your pillow when you sleep. So for a night product that's supposed to be more of like a mask, or a treatment like this one, you don't want it to be tacky on top of your skin. You want it to sink into your skin so you could avoid losing product. So this sinks into my skin very nice. It makes my skin very soft and glowy. So that is a positive. And I do believe this product does take up to 4 weeks to see landmark results. So that I fully intend on using this for 4 weeks and honestly till completion, because I am happy with this product so far. I've used it once. So what I do want to point out to you, this is $70. So do your research. Again, this isn't like a replacement product. This is a product you add to your routine. Yeah, this is going to even your skin tone, minimize your wrinkles, intensely hydrate your skin, make you nice and plump and radiant for the morning, and it helps you go to sleep at night. So I think this is approved in my opinion. I will do a follow-up video on this product just because I know there is such a long time to use this to see the full results, but I did want to share my thoughts because this is a new product. Not a lot of people know about it yet, and I wanted to kind of just get this out there as soon as possible, and it's like so different. It's like so cute. Packaging, I'm gonna give the packaging honestly a C. I don't really like that I can't lock this packaging in. I don't like that it's not heavy for $70. I kind of expected more. How it feels on the skin, I'm gonna give it an A right now. That's all I have for you on this product. I'll do a follow-up video. And everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or you start using this product as well, please comment below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm always talking about skincare, cosmetics, even if like I go shopping or something. I love sharing my life and just connecting with everybody. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate it. And I hope this review was helpful for you. And I hope if you do go out and buy this product that you really enjoy it. That is all I had. Thank you, Murad, for releasing such a fun new product for 2019. And thank you, everybody, for watching. Love you. Bye.